Okay, my love. You can start now. Yan yung cabbage. Yan, ang laki na siya, guys. Yan. Yan. Sobrang laki. Ang laki, guys. Yan. First na harvest yung cabbage. Oh, wow. Yan. Ang galing naman. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Yan. Ang laki. Oh, wow. Yan na siya. How many kilos, my love?
Oh my.
You can estimate.
No, probably
More than one?
half, more than one.
Oh, wow. Ang laki, guys, oh. Oh, wow.
It's pretty heavy.
Oh, wow. May.
Probably a pound and a half maybe.
Wow. Ang laki. Only one, my love?
Yeah, just one for now.
Okay. Next time, again, the other one. That
Yeah,
one, oh.
but we're gonna get some cauliflower.
Okay.
There's quite a few cauliflower that needs removed.
Okay. You put it there, my love. Down. There. Yan. Ang laki niya. Ito yung pangalawa, guys, oh. Pero next time na lang. At saka yan yung next pangatlo. Cauliflower. That one, my love. Yan. Yan. Ito yung pangalawang harvest ng cauliflower. Yan. Yan, guys. Yan. Yan yung pangalawa. Ang lalaki. Balit pangatlo na yan yung nakuha namin. Yes, yes, yes. Yan. Ang laki. Fresh na fresh. Marami pa yan dyan. Ito. What happened?
For the chicken.
Yan. Ang dami, guys. Yan na. Ang dami.
For the chickens.
Wow. Yan na.
There's more than just this one that needs taken.
Yeah, that one only. Next time again. Maliliit pa siya, guys. Huh? May. Meron pa dito malaki. Next time na lang yan. Or next week. Ayan pa, guys, oh. Ayan. Next week na lang siya. Ayan. Itong violet ay cabbage din ito. Okay, thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.
My love.
Thank you.
Ito pa guys. I-harvest na namin kasi malaki na siya. Okay, my love.
Couple more days.
Oh.
We're gonna have to take more off.
Ayan. Malaki na siya. Marami pa kaming i-harvest. Mga next week na siguro. Ayan. Sunod-sunod na yung laki niya guys. Ayan, ang laki na din.
Oh yeah?
Still went inside. Ayan. Ayan na
Oh
guys.
yeah?
Ayan, ang laki na. Ayan. Ayan. My love.
Yes.
Ayan na guys. Ayan. Look. My love. Ha.
Very yummy.
Yan na yung nakuha namin guys. Yan. Yan na. Tatlo na yung nakuha namin. Yes. Ang dami na naman ng cauliflowers guys. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 meron pang maliit 10 yes, ito ready. How many? 10, 11 12 na guys. 12 ito pa, nagtago. 13. Hindi ko alam yung iba pa dun. 13. Wow, many. Ang cute na nila, guys.